Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and in this video I'll be showing you how I achieve this very full natural hair look using an I-part wig. And y'all, in this install there was no leave out involved. Yes, this is my real scalp, so there was no lace, no leave out. If you're interested in knowing all the deets and specs on this hair, keep on watching. But first, before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because you know you're gonna like it, and subscribe to my channel. I post more videos around hair and beauty, so if you're interested in anything that involves those two subjects, definitely subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So I'll be doing an unboxing and install of this I-part curly wig from ilikehairwig.com. It comes in this orange packaging that's really sleek. I love the pull-out feature because it gives luxe vibes. This wig is 18 inches and it features the True Roots closure, which matches the roots of your hair, and it's also easy to camouflage, which I'll be showing you in this video because I will be doing a no leave out install. The inside of the wig consists of 4 clip-ins, 3 combs, and 1 thick elastic band, which I love. And the wig also comes with some goodies. It comes with this pouch with a bonnet, a wig cap, and a edge brush with 2 clips, and then also a rat tail comb. After applying this wig, I used mousse and water to style the hair. I just used water to kind of disrupt the natural texture that it came with straight out of the box. And then I used mousse to give the hair a nice light hold for the curls while giving the hair slip for easy detangling. And because this hair is so thick, I worked on 1/2 at a time. And I would always only recommend to use mousse on curly hair because it only needs a light hold and the curls will stay intact all day, and you don't have to use your own hair products for weave. And honestly, the key for creating those juicy and bouncy curls and coils is the brush that you use. So I'll be using the Pattern Beauty shower brush, and you can use any wide bristle brush like this, like a Denman brush, to really get those curls activated. The beauty of the I-part wig is that it requires no glue, no lace, and you have the option between doing a no leave out install like I did, or to have thin leave out, and the leave out can be 99 to 100% less than it would if you were wearing a U-part wig. So in my opinion, this wig is a suitable protective style option, or depending on how much leave out you have, the hairstyle options are basically endless. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, you can get 25% off at checkout by using code Jaelen25. After styling, the roots of this hair was still a bit frizzy, so I went in with a finger coiling technique to redefine the curls in the front of the hair. Also, y'all, you might have to readjust the wig after styling because of all the detangling, which isn't that big of a deal, but the wig would be more secure with more clip-ins and combs in it. I did experience some gaping at the sides of the wig where there were no combs, but I think that depends on the size of your head as well. So yeah, if you want to go in and add more combs, you definitely can. It's a quick fix, but I just thought I'd let you know. Alright you guys, so you've reached the end of this video. I really hope it was informational for you and that you enjoyed it. This wig is so cute. It's very bomb. It's very full, as you could see, super dense, but it has a breathable cap, so you don't have to worry about, you know, your hair or your scalp sweating out, because it's definitely breathable under all this hair. And also the hair texture itself makes this hair look super realistic and more natural, because it's not super perfect curls. So you know how on natural hair some curls are very tight and coily and then other curls are looser? I think this hair does a really good job of mimicking that, so it gives a more realistic look. And if that wasn't a giveaway for you guys, look at this. This is scalp, okay? Real scalp. You can have a little bit of leave out if you want, as much leave out as you want, honestly. Or you can have no leave out at all, which I really like about this wig as well. So if you're interested in this unit or learning more about it, definitely check out my description box for more information. And if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up for me. And do not forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my future uploads, because your girl is coming with the consistency in 2022. So I hope you're here for it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.